and here I'm driving on the freeway. As you can see, all the gauges work. Everything works. I'm doing 60 right now. Drive's totally straight. Hands off the wheel right now. Doesn't pull either way. And it's quiet. No squeaks. Turn on the AC. Light gauges. Radio works. Now I'm doing, let's just get up to 70 real quick. That's no problem. Coming back down because I'm coming off the exit.